wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best woodworking vises. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Built around an over 400-year-old design, the Lake Erie moxon offers quite a lot of functionality for such an antiquated device. It's 32 inches long and opens to a maximum of 4 1/4 inches, and because it's made entirely from wood, there's no worry about it damaging your project. It provides a 24-inch wide screw-to-screw capacity, however it is quite costly for 4 pieces of wood, and it's not the most durable choice. At number 9, because of its size and recommended mounting location, the Grizzly cabinet makers tends to get in the way less than tail-mounted models. It is a bit pricey, but it does make a fantastic investment for dedicated woodworkers. It comes with long-lasting spindle bearings and a laminated maple jaw, but it doesn't come with mounting hardware. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Little more than 2 blocks of wood connected by 2 metal rods, the Irwin handscrew is a simple yet highly useful tool. It may not look like it, but it adjusts to a surprisingly wide range of angles and works great on irregularly sized pieces. It's inexpensive and versatile and ideal for on-site work. However, it only expands to just over 4 inches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Woodworking Vises, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Craftsman corner clamp offers the ultimate in stability while securing the most important angle in all of woodworking. Independent screws let you hold different thicknesses of lumber in place and ensure the joint is flush. It features a lightweight yet strong aluminum body and expands to accommodate 2x4s, but of course it serves a rather specialized purpose. Moving up our list to number 6. Constructed a beautifully finished European beech, the Sjobergs Smart is intended for precision and specialty woodworking, where patience and attention to detail are paramount. It elevates the available workspace, making intricate projects easier to see and control. It mounts with clamps or bolts and comes with 4 spring-secured bench stops. However, it's not meant for large jobs. Halfway up our list at number 5. The end-facing rockler tail is ideal for the dedicated worker who's decided to build their own custom bench. It mounts easily to the underside of the table, and a 17.5-inch width plus a 12-inch travel distance provide powerful functionality. It won't damage your work and is designed for semi-permanent installation. It's a simple yet costly solution. At number 4, backed by generations of reliability, the Irwin vise-grip is a truly iconic tool that no woodworker can live without, and it fits in many spaces where larger units won't. These are so useful that it's definitely worth having more than one in your arsenal. They come in 4 sizes from 6 to 24 inches, with swiveling contact pads and a screw-adjusted clamp width. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. While the Irwin Tools Woodworkers lacks fancy features like adjustable dogs and a quick release, it's perfectly effective for a reasonable range of carpentry tasks. Professionals may prefer a more comprehensive option, but this DIY-oriented model will fit into any budget. It's got a 5-inch maximum jaw opening and space to install wooden cheeks, but the build quality is somewhat loose. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Woodworking Vises, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you'll find the Wilton 63218's design co-opted by many competing brands, simply because it's so incredibly effective. It's intended for front-facing installation on almost any workbench, and it opens as wide as 13 inches to accommodate some of the largest tasks. It features a 10-degree pivot for irregular boards and 10-inch wide jaws. It's made of heavy-duty cast iron. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Eclipse Quick Release is a refined version of a tool ubiquitous among workshops everywhere. An adjustable front stop allows it to function as a standard or tail vise, and as a safety measure, the Tommy bar is crafted to give out before the unit itself breaks. It comes with 2 pre-drilled mounting holes and is available in 7, 9 and 10-inch models. It's built to last a lifetime. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Woodworking Vises, or simply click beneath this video.